大家好，欢迎收听唱歌学中文。Hi everyone, welcome to Sing and Learn Chinese. Today we're going over the vocab song 两个人. Two are better than one. Actually, 两个人 literally means two people. So there's that. But the English title is two is greater than one, and you'll see why. So the first line is 你总习惯一个人生活. So 你 means you, 总 is short for like 总是, which means you always end up being a certain way. 你总习惯 is a habit, so used to, something that you're used to. 一个人 means one person, 生活 is live. So you're always used to living by yourself as a single person. Then we have 不喜欢让别人来打破. And that line actually goes into the next one. So let's finish the thought and then come back and talk about what it means. 不喜欢让别人来打破你的舒适圈. So 不喜欢 means don't like. 让别人 means let others, let somebody else. 来 means come. So let somebody else come in, and 打破 is to break. 你的舒适圈 is your circle of comfort, your comfort zone. That's the word. There we go. Your comfort zone. Then we have 你的寂寞, your loneliness. 可是你有没有听说过? 可是 means but. 你有没有? You have or have not. So have you ever 听说过, heard of? And 听说过 actually is a little extra. Like you don't have to say the 过 part. You could just 你有没有听过 is all you have to say. But 听说过 is it's in there because of the rhyme, the rhythm and rhyme of this line. We needed an extra word, syllable. So there we have 你有没有听说过? Which is fine. You can say that. It's just a little, you don't have to say that if you don't want to. Then we get to the chorus, which is 两个人比一个好. And this is the theme of the song. This is where two is greater than one comes from, the concept. 两个人 means two people. 比 means to compare. 一个 means one. 好 is good. So two people compared to one is better. So two is greater than one. And then 如果一个人跌倒, 如果 means if, 一个人 means one person, 跌倒 is fall. So if one person falls, 他有同伴把他扶起来. 他有 means he has. 同伴 is like a companion. 把他 is for him, at him, toward him. 扶起来 is to lift him up. He has a companion to lift him up is basically what that line means. Then we have 两个人一起奔跑. So again, 两个人 means two people. 一起 means together. 奔跑 is to run, really run fast. Two people running together, basically. 得到美好的果效. 得到 means to achieve or to receive. 美好 is beautiful. 美 means beauty. So, and 好 means good. Beautiful and good. So wonderful. 果效 is effects or results. Actually, you're more likely to see the word 效果 in real life. You're going to hear people talk about 效果, the effect, the results, the consequences of an action. But you can say 果效. It's just less common. But again, we did this for rhyming purposes. So the song has to rhyme, and so we have 美好的果效. And then we have 两个人总比一个人好. So that word 总, we saw that in the very first line. Remember, 你总习惯一个人生活. So now we've got 两个人总比一个人好. So 两个人, two people, 总 means always ends up 比 compared to 一个人, one person, 好, good. So two people always ends up being better than one person by himself. And then the final line is 你要不要, which means you want or not want. In other words, do you want that? 你要不要? Do you want that? Do you want to no longer be your single solitary self and have a companion, a partner in arms, and so on and so forth? And so there you have it. Those are the lyrics. It's a light reference to a famous line from a famous book. If you guys know what it is, feel free to say so. Curious to see if you know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next Lyrics Explained video. Until we sing again, 再见.